guys, this is once again Arun Arjunan from India, and in this video we are going to talk about tricks and tips in repeat sentence, especially in the speaking module. So let me explain what an actual repeat sentence is. You will be played an audio where you will be expected to repeat the same number of words that are said by the audio. Let me show you with an example. So this is how an actual repeat sentence looks like. I will be playing and responding to the audio.
Don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions.
Don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. So this is what the actual audio said. That is nothing but, don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. So this is the way how you have to handle your repeat sentences. You will be getting more than 7 to 8 questions in your actual PTE exam. Let me reveal the tricks here, guys. So the first and basic trick here is that you have to understand what the audio is saying to you, so that it will be easy for you guys to understand and repeat the exact word that are said by the audio. The second and important trick here is that at least you have to repeat 50% of the words that are said by the audio. And the third important trick here is that you have to pronounce words with confidence so that your oral fluency will not get affected. Let me explain how these tricks works with few more examples. I will also attempt few more questions by assuming that I am really doing it in an exam situation. Shall we, guys? From these 1000 questions, I'm gonna randomly pick some and I'm going to explain it to you guys. And the first question is,
Care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups in the times of infection.
care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups in the time of infection. And if you see this question, I initially understood each and every word of the question. That helped me to repeat every word as it is. The question said, care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups in the time of infection. Since I repeated almost every word, definitely I will get the full marks from this question. Let's go to the second one.
Animals grow larger and stronger to help them to hunt better.
Animals grow larger and stronger to help them hunt better. If you see in this case, I have said almost 80% of the words. I said it like animals grow larger and stronger to help them hunt better. I left this word too, but still it's okay. Since I have said more than 50%, definitely I will get my full marks from this question. Let's go to the third one.
Anatomy is the study of internal and external body structures.
Is the study of internal and external body structures. If you see in this case, I didn't hear anatomy properly. Still, I repeated remaining words as it is. Since I have left only one word, I will definitely get my full marks from this because I have said more than 50% in this too. So let's go to the fourth question.
All undergraduate students should participate in the seminar.
Should participate in the seminar. If you see in this case, I have said only the half of the sentence. But still I must more than 3 words, all undergraduate students. But I have said more than 5 words, should 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should participate in the seminar. It is also above 50%. Hence don't worry, here also you will get the maximum marks from this question. But the thing is that I said it with confidence. I didn't break it. I didn't mention ooh, and all. Hence, my oral fluency will not get affected. And I said it with confidence, and I said more than 50% from this question. And these tricks will help me to gain full marks from this question. And in the upcoming 2 questions, I will illustrate how one should not do repeat sentence. Shall we?
All students and staff have access to the printers and scanners.
Students and staffs have access to printers and scanners. So if you observe this, I have said more than 50% of the question, but I have left few gaps between each words. So that will directly affect my oral fluency in my speaking section. Hence you should not do that. Even though if you say only the 50%, you should say with confidence. Then alone it will work. So don't leave any gap. Even though you just heard half of the sentence, just repeat as it is. Definitely you will get your mark. And the last one.
In 1880, cycling became a major phenomenon in the United States.
In 1880, cycling became the major phenomenon in the United States. So in this case, even though you fully understood it and you have exactly repeated every word as it is, you just left few gaps in between certain words. So it will not help you. If you do it like this, your oral fluency will definitely get affected. So what I am trying to say here is that even though if you heard only half of the sentence, just try to speak it with confidence. If you do this, definitely you will get your full mark. I am taking classes for PTE. Those who wish to enroll their names, they can ping me. I will provide the contact details below. Thank you guys.